Hey, it's Ray. Instead of studying for my test tomorrow, I'm gonna make you guys a video about what happened the other night. I couldn't sleep, so I decided I'd go for a walk. Now, walking at night is something I do on occasions, and I know that I'm not supposed to because the cops don't like it for whatever reason. But I still just went for a walk because I wanted some fresh air, and it's not cold yet. It's only like in the 40s at night here. So I was walking next to the highway, which is the main road here. I mean, it's not really the legit highway that you guys drive on to get places where the speed limit's like 70 miles per hour. It's not like that kind of a highway because you have little like stores and stuff on the side of it. But basically I was walking, it was like 2:30 maybe, or about that time I guess, and a cop pulled over, asked if I was okay. I was like, yeah. Thinking, why wouldn't I be okay? I'm walking, you know. Not shot or anything, not dying. Then he asked me, why are you out so late at this hour walking? And that's when things got weird because, let me roll back. Okay, before I was going to a walk because I couldn't sleep, my brain sits and goes through all of these crazy scenarios, and I started thinking about my life and evaluating it, and not good. Okay, so I didn't know what to tell the cop. I was like, and then I did one of the most weirdest things that a human could possibly be doing at 2:30 in the morning in a response to a cop asking you why you're out so late. I meowed at him. I simply went, "Rawr," and I took off. I don't know. Now, I don't know why the cop didn't come after me, thinking that maybe I was on drugs. I don't do drugs. You know, they're not for me. But you know, to each his own, or her own, or their own, or all of that. So, but I still don't get why they didn't, like, try to chase me, because obviously they could have easily caught up to me in their squad car while I just run back around the corner to where I live. But the cop didn't. So that was my story. Really not that exciting. But it was interesting. Never thought I would have meowed at a cop before. And then not been taken in and questioned. But I'm glad I wasn't. Alright, well, suggest me video topics, leave comments below. I'm gonna try to start making weekly videos, maybe. Probably not so weekly, probably random whenever I have time. So, ask me things, leave me topics or whatever, because I have faded green hair. And you should all just be cool like that. Until next time.